Just add turmeric to the banana and you'll thank me for life. If you do that, say goodbye to your pains and body inflammations. Few people know the power that banana has in our body. I doubt you know all the benefits it has for you. You need to add this fruit to your diet and daily routine. Peel the banana, but don't throw it away because it's also useful. It's crucial that you stay until the end of this video because I'll share another amazing and beneficial recipe to take advantage of that peel. Also, place the banana on a plate and mash it with a fork. You can eat it without mashing, but I find it easier to swallow this way. Then, add a teaspoon of turmeric over the banana. Mix well, and it's ready. Eating banana like this can give you many health benefits. Now let's get to what matters. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and fibers that benefit the heart, digestion, and give you energy. When combined, you get a synergy of nutrients that contribute to the overall health of the body. Turmeric contains curcumin, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties and potential to improve brain health. You can add a little bit of honey using quality honey. You'll get even more benefits. Consume this on an empty stomach for 7 days, and your body will thank you. It will completely reduce inflammation. Let's move on to the second recipe. Take the peel of one banana and put it in a pot. Add 2 cups of filtered water over the banana. Then add a teaspoon of turmeric and a piece of ginger. If you're allergic or have any contraindication with any of these ingredients, I recommend you don't try this recipe. Put the pot on medium heat and let it boil well. Also add 2 teaspoons of lemon balm. Lemon balm is optional, but if you're having it at night, I suggest including it. Lemon balm is known for its calming properties. It can help relieve stress, anxiety, and promote relaxation, which may improve sleep quality. The main function of this home remedy is to completely reduce body inflammation. Strain the mixture. The blend of banana peel, ginger, lemon balm, and turmeric can create a delicious infusion. The banana peel, ginger, lemon balm, and turmeric. They contain antioxidants that can help counteract the damage caused by free radicals in the body. Ginger and turmeric are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties. They can help with inflammatory conditions in the body.